Hi guys, how are you doing? So I just prepared the green pawpaw and it's ready to ferment now. So this is the very first time for me to make a fermented pawpaw, green pawpaw. So if if the way I have done it is good and the green pawpaw is tastes good as well, I will add the recipe into my blog. So but for now I just wanted to let you know I made it like I would make fermented cabbage. So the sauerkraut, I made it the same way with the pawpaw, with a little addition of garlic, which we usually don't do with sauerkraut. But yeah, I will see how we go and let you know. But for now I just wanted to show you how I keep it down, because it's very important here. If you ferment vegetables, you have to keep the vegetable under the juice, under the natural juice. So this is not a vinegar or something like that, it's just a natural juice which came out of the pawpaw mixed with salt and garlic. So yeah, you have to keep it under the juice, and I have done it here this time with cabbage leaf I had in my garden. So you can see everything is under juice. So yeah, this one is not sticking out, this one maybe a little bit. Have to push it down. So it's very important, otherwise if the bits are sticking out it will spoil the whole lot and you can throw it away. So yeah, this one as well, it's nice under the juice, submerged, and everything here nice and tight. So I will close the jars now, just slightly, so the air during the fermenting process can get out. And I will check it in between as well. So after 5 days the fermented pawpaw should be ready, and I will update you then. So yeah, if you like the idea what I've done here, if you like the little video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel if you still didn't, and I will keep you updated. So yeah, by the way, the jars and everything else has to be super clean and sterilized, but you probably know it as well. So yeah, hope you like it, and yeah, see you next time. Thanks, bye.